Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today, we're going to sous vide some thick cut pork chops and we're going to cook them on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. So y'all stay tuned. So right here we have our pork chops. And I think it's important that when you do the sous vide that you don't salt these ahead of time. Seems to pull some of the moisture out of them, make them less juicy. So what we're going to do to season them, we're going to give them some fresh cracked black pepper on one side, and then we're going to give them a pretty good dose of rosemary. All right. Do that on both sides. You see we have some limes there also. We're going to put that lime in there with them. So rosemary. Alright, so those are good to go. Now what we've done here is we've pre-prepared some vacuum seal bags. Hope you guys can see this. You can see, this is that time of day when it's very difficult to film. I'm going to give them a lime on each side, right in the bag there. Tucking down a lime, right in the vacuum bag with them. That's the key to sous vide, is this vacuum system. You got the other one in there. Lime on both sides of him too. Now we'll go ahead and get up our good old food saver and we'll vacuum pack them down. So the food saver is my favorite vacuum machine. If you've got one of these that doesn't work anymore, I'm going to leave you a card right up above of how you can replace these seals inside to make it work just like new again for $8. So let's go ahead. This is going to be pretty dry. We'll just hit the button and let it suck all the air out of that thing. The seal light comes on automatically. We'll seal it. As soon as the seal light goes out, we can take it out. So we've got our sous vide system set up. We have our sous vide stick here. This one's from Avalon Bay. I'd like to thank those folks for sending that over to us. We've used it a few times here now on the show. We've set the water level in the pot to between the minimum maximum lines. So right now we're looking at our guide, and our guide shows us we want a medium chop. We want to set this to 144 degrees. So just to be clear, to wake it up, you press and hold the button here. We're going to go ahead and go to temperature mode. It's at defaulted at 130. We're going to go ahead and beep that up to 144. And we're going to let it go. It'll tell you what the current temperature is in the water. We did use some warm tap water to get that going. It takes less time. So that'll go easily up to 144. When it gets there, we'll go ahead and we'll put in our pork chops. I'd like to remind you about our Amazon store. You can check out the link right down below in the very first comment. You can buy a lot of the gear, including the Lodge cast iron Sportsman's Grill, right there on our Amazon store. Same great price to you, but we get a little commission, helps us produce the videos here on the Backwoods Gourmet channel. Okay, so our unit just alerted us it was up to 155. Now we're going to set the time down. We're going to go 2 hours on these guys here. And here all you got to do is drop your vacuum bags right in the water. That automatically sensed that temperature change. And now it's going to count down from 2 hours at 144. You can go as much as, according to their book, we can go as long as, stand by, 4 hours. Okay, so we're gonna go 2 hours on that. That's pretty warm, and that's gonna start cooking our pork chops all the way through very gently, and keep all that juice inside since it's vacuum packed. It's gonna be awesome. So our sous vide's been going here for a while now. We set it for 2 hours. It's got 24 minutes left. So we're gonna pull these guys out. As long as they go for at least an hour, we're good to go. So we can leave them in here up to 4 hours, and they're pretty much cooked right this minute. Just gonna put them out here on this plate. Let them rest a second, and we'll throw them on a grill. So we got the Sportsmans Grill going searing hot there. Gonna go ahead and drop these guys right on top. Like a 45-degree angle to the grates. And all we're looking for right now is some color. Those are already fully cooked, marinated. We got some, over here on the side, we got some bell peppers. Those will obviously be for Backwoods Gourmet, not for Mrs. Backwoods, because she thinks these are poison. There's some nice grilled back bell peppers. So we're just going to get these guys nestled down on there real good. We might give the other side just a little spray of olive oil just to help with the browning. Chops are ready to rest in right now. I'm gonna show you how to make a quick portocini mushroom marsala sauce. We'll go on top of them. We'll pull out our good old Avalon Bay induction burner. Works awesome with these cast irons. Okay. I'm gonna throw in some porcini mushrooms. I'll let them start getting the color on them. Just going to toss them around in that olive oil a little bit. Not looking to cook them real hard. I'm going to give them a little bit of crisp pepper. Brown that. Give them a little salt. Give it a pinch. Got my rib there. A pinch of salt. looking pretty good. Go ahead in there some butter. Really have the best tool in the world to get that out with. Switch it up here. Butter. Smells awesome. This is a little marsala. Fresh parsley. And turn off the fire. Here you go. We'll just serve this right on top of our grilled pork chop. So I want to also let you guys know about some stuff going on with the YouTube deal. All right. Some of you have been commenting, hey, where you been, Backwoods? We haven't seen any videos from you in a while. Well, that's not because we're not putting them up there. It's because you're not getting notified. And that's a little thing that YouTube is working on right now. So to avoid that problem, make sure if you are a subscriber or you're going to subscribe right now, ring that little bell right beside the subscribe button. Make sure there's a couple of options on that bell. Make sure that you select notify me of every post from this subscriber, and that'll ensure that you'll be notified every time we put up a new video. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up Backwoods Gourmet style. It's our nice, big, thick pork chop right there in the middle. And we grilled some corn. All right, and we grilled those bell peppers, but you know, this is always for Mrs. Backwoods. So right over the top of that, some of our portocini mushroom marsala. Right over the top. And this corn, we're going to give a squeeze of lime to that. Brighten it up. That's sweet corn. I'm going to leave that lime wedge right on the plate. Cilantro is also good with this. So a little cilantro right there. There you go. That's a sous vide thick cut pork chop grilled on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. It's going to be delicious. We'll cut into it and show you the inside. Hope you guys enjoyed this dish. It was fantastic. Without that sous vide system, you really couldn't do that on the little Sportsman's Grill or any other kind. So thanks for watching the Backwoods Gourmet. As always, if you like what we're doing, please hit that like button right down there. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, you can do it right here. And please ring your little bell for your notifications. Up here you can see another great Backwoods Gourmet video. And over here, we got a whole playlist of cooking on the Lodge Cast Iron Sportsman's Grill. We'll see you next time. Hey, welcome to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today we're going to do a process called sous vide on some big old thick ass pork chops. I shouldn't have said that.